I think it's very interesting having returned at this conference to face-to-face again. Sad but true that the barriers are still the same barriers as they were before the pandemic. We have the issues around the access and the way that the products are used in the hospital setting, and I think that's where our work with the Advanced Therapy Treatment Centres is so fundamentally important. And one of the delightful things today is to hear people saying to us, we learn so much from working with the Advanced Therapy Treatment Centres, it helps us develop our products and our processes ready for use. So I think that's really important, and it's work that we need to keep going. Reimbursement is always going to be an issue, but we've done a lot of work on reimbursement science and making sure that people understand what is necessary to provide the information to the payers and what the payers are looking for. It's always going to be a negotiated process, but it's still something that needs work and understanding at the very early stages of product development, because if you haven't thought about that when you go into clinical trial, it's going to be more difficult to get it achieved when you come out of clinical trial. And then you've got the other things that keep coming up again and again and again, which are the need for increased scale in manufacturing, because increased scale brings down the cost of goods, and then bringing down the cost of goods facilitates access generally for patients. Typically these are the things that we're seeing again and again and again, and I think for the UK, the other area that we're intensely involved with is making sure that researchers in the academic and research sector have enough understanding of the commercialization process that they can quickly fit into that once their products start to advance.